Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
We prayed in congregation at Damascus airport. A man shouted from behind me that the other prayers would be offered after some interval. That person was Qasem. Some people of all East Sudan wanted to offer prayers there. The place was full of us. He wanted the Sunnis to pray in congregation first because they are sensitive about prayers timing. He walked barefoot to meet the daughter of the martyr. By the time we reached him with his shoes, he had reached the daughter of the martyr. We went to see his birthplace together. He showed the whole area and said, "If my master ever allowed me to leave my current job, I would definitely return to this village. And then I will do my father's work." My father was a farmer and he planted these plants with his own hands. I want to come back and settle this desolate desert for income and for the youth of the village. He came to the place of the Fatima front. When night fell, we thought we would go somewhere and relax away from the hustle and bustle of the youth. But he took off his shoes and put them under his head. We were all very embarrassed. We vacated the room so he could rest for a while. When someone is rejected on the basis of their past in the election of the people, you would get angry and say how many of us were Muslims before the Islamic Revolution. Imam Khomeini's existence made us Muslims. First we must see for ourselves what we were before the Islamic Revolution. Today we must not reject someone on the basis of his past. He raised his hands in the middle of the field in the morning. In one hand was Imam Khomeini's will, letter of support for the candidate, in the other hand. He said, "Now choose which of them." Then he himself was the first to speak and brought forward the will and said Imam Khomeini's will. Imam Khomeini has said that a soldier should not be involved in military politics and support any party. Whenever there was food left on his plate, we would get worried because it was known that the food had not reached any person in the army. This was his style of objection. He would not even touch the food until we find and deliver it to them who are hungry. Sometimes it was up to 48 hours and he would not eat until he was satisfied that everyone had eaten. He disappeared as soon as the majlis was over. After searching for quite some time, we found out that he has gone to clean the washrooms and doing all the work by himself without any help. He did not involve anyone in this work for the purpose of help. He used to say that it is a matter of pride for me to be the servant of Lady Zara's majlis. In his father's house on the corner of the courtyard, he lay a carpet in the sunlight and bring an old man from bathroom, and settle him on that carpet and dry his hair. He would kiss his head and hands saying, "The joy of my heart in this whole world is you, my father."